AJ. Let's go find them. Go look around. You gotta find them.
They're really hidden.
Come here, Tyler. Tyler, right here. That one. Mia, did you find one?
No.
Over here, I see one. Over by the bubble. Oh, Mia, here. Mia.
Did you find them?
Good job, Tyler. Hey, Tyler. Tyler, man.
Come on, Matt. Coming, Ross? Rachel, did you see it?
Did you get one?
I got it.
Good. Keep looking. Keep looking, AJ. AJ, keep looking.
Let's go find some more eggs, buddy.
Yeah.
Let's see where they are. You see one over here?
Look on the glider.
Look down here, boy.
Oh, I think it's picking up speed.
Found one. All right. Come over here, Matthew.
Get it,
looking
Tyler.
at it.
Look at right there. You find one?
Hey, Rachel.
Yeah, okay. Rachel.
Tyler.
You could use the lawnmower. Good job.
Good job, AJ.
You're really warm for another one too. AJ, look. Look. Down.
Right there.
What, honey? Where?
It is cool.
Up high?
Keep looking.
Who's going up there?
Keep looking. AJ.
Just be careful with those shoes.
AJ. Keep looking.
Let's get Tyler one up there. Hey, Matt.
AJ. Psst. Look over here.
Well, Mark did it. Mark, good job hiding these eggs.
Yes, you will. What are you talking about? That's easy to